Samsung phone reset. Easy step-by-step instructions. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to reset a Samsung phone to factory default settings. Number 1. Back up your data. Before performing a factory reset, it is important to back up your data. This includes contacts, photos, videos, documents, and any other important files you have on your phone. You can back up your data to an external storage device, to the cloud, or to your computer. Number 2. Charge your phone. Ensure that your Samsung phone has enough battery life to complete the reset process. It is recommended to have at least 50% battery charge to avoid any interruptions during the reset. Number 3. Locate settings. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can usually find it in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear-shaped icon in the top right corner. Number 4. Navigate to General Management or System. Depending on the model of your Samsung phone and the version of Android it is running, the location of the reset option may vary slightly. Look for options like General Management or System in the Settings menu. Number 5. Select Reset or Reset options. Within the General Management or System menu, look for an option labeled Reset or Reset options. This is where you will find the Factory Reset option. Number 6. Use Factory Data Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset or a similar option. You may be prompted to enter your PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. This is a security measure to prevent accidental resets. Number 7. Review Warning. Before proceeding with the factory reset, your Samsung phone will display a warning message informing you that all data will be erased from the device's internal storage. Review this warning carefully to ensure you understand the consequences of the reset. Number 8. Confirm Reset. If you are sure you want to proceed with the factory reset, tap on the Reset or Confirm button. Depending on your phone model and Android version, you may be asked to enter your Samsung account password or Google account password to confirm the reset. Number 9. Wait for reset. Once you confirm the reset, your Samsung phone will begin the process of erasing all data and restoring it to its original factory settings. This may take several minutes, so be patient and do not interrupt the process. 10. Set up your phone. After the factory reset is complete, your Samsung phone will reboot and you will be taken to the initial setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your phone as if it were new, including language selection, Wi-Fi connection, Google account sign-in, and any other preferences. Number 11. Restore Backup Optional. If you back up your data before performing the factory reset, you can now restore it onto your Samsung phone. You can do this during the initial setup process or afterward from your backup source. That's it! Your Samsung phone has now been reset to its factory default settings and you're ready to start using it again from scratch. Hey, before you go, remember that life's an adventure worth experiencing, and I am glad we are sharing this journey together. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more content like this, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep spreading positivity and inspiration wherever we go. And as we wrap up today's adventure, here's a quote to keep in mind. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. So go out there, take those chances, chase your dreams, and make every moment count. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome.